Good afternoon, people. People, I haven't understand why say you that. Oh, my guy is asking to money to renovate a car, and his how deal with. Wow, are nuts, man. Uh, I know there are a lot of people who ask buy medicine for a child. Why to ask buy prosthesis? Uh, why who ask pay a hand? I understand that. Maybe the same request is a bit strange, but I'm not able to renovate my car and the idea of me asking what this. No, I doesn't take that much money to renovate my car. No, it's not a fortune. Uh, it's not a lot. I remember that on the Onsager I need 100 reais to pay an exam, and a lot of people have helped me, and I paid. After I found out the girl told everyone to get saying here. I had the idea. I will post every progress of the car. I promise to report you if I don't do anything. Guys, uh, I I know cheap foods, know the car for overhauling. Uh, I need the help of us. Thanks. Have a nice night. God bless you all.